Hi.
Okay, so today we're gonna do an experiment. Yay! Alright, so we're gonna need 1 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of sugar, yep, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, yeah, a bag of ice, got that?
Mm-hmm.
And 1/3 cup of salt. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna start out by taking that small bag in front of you.
That?
Yep, we're gonna put the half and half in there. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now you need the sugar. Okay, that should be good. And half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. So you can use that spoon that you just used.
Stay.
Just half of that.
Ma'am?
Just half a teaspoon. Alright. Now seal that up. Make sure all the air's out. As much as you can anyway. Okay, so now you're going to take your salt and put it inside the bag with the ice. Okay, shake it around a little bit. Okay, now put your small bag inside of that bag. Okay, now seal it up. Okay, now shake it around. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, unwrap it.
Okay.
Take that out of there.
Okay.
You can use that spoon and put it in there.
Alright. Okay, I think that's it.
Yum. Got you some ice cream.
That's good. Like, really good.
Alright, thanks for watching our video. Hope y'all enjoyed as much as Connor's enjoying his ice cream. Bye y'all.